Hello everyone, welcome to your first class. In this class, we are going to discuss about what is exactly OSI model. So this is the introduction video of OSI model. So we are going to discuss about what are OSI layers, how OSI works. So let's start with the introduction part. OSI is Open System Interconnect Model, means in OSI you can connect multiple vendors, hardware devices with each other. Like you are going to use routers, switches, firewalls, and they belongs to Cisco, Juniper, IBM. So many routers and switches are there. But with the help of OSI model, we can connect with that. After that, OSI is developed by International Organization for Standardization in 1974. It consists of 7 layers and each and every layer has specific processing function. Now, what are the specific processing functions? Let's discuss about it. First of all, we will discuss about layers from layer 7 to layer 1. My layer 7 is application layer, presentation layer, after that session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link and physical layer. And these all layers are from layer 7 to layer 1. Because this approach is used by top to bottom approach by OSI. Why this is from 7 to 1? Because actually when you connect with your any colleague, any friends, any relative, you are not directly going to use hardware communication. You are going to use with any software application. So that's why this OSI model is layered approach with from 7 to 1. Okay, so in this 7 layer model, we have each and every functions of each and every layer. So let's discuss with this. These are layer 7 to layer 1 model, and first 3 layers, application, presentation and sessions, are known as software layers. And this is the example, like there is a rhyme. I'm not saying that you don't need to take advice from salespeople. Just to remember, like please do not take salesperson advice. This line is only based on like you need to remember each and every layer systematic way, like physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer and application layer. I'm really sorry if any salesperson is watching my video. Okay, it is just for kidding purpose. Application, presentation and session known as upper layer and software layer, because there is no any direct contact with hardware device. And transport layer is known as heart of OSI, and last 3 layers are known as lower layer and hardware layer. And now I told you that these 3 layers are software layer because there is no direct connections of hardware device. But in network, data link and physical, there are the devices that are used each and every layer. At physical layer, you are going to use cables. At data link layer, you are going to use switches. At network layer, you are going to use a router. So this is the overview of OSI model. In our next video, we are going to discuss about application layer and how application layer works. So happy to learn. Thank you so much.